Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro. You have to start by, firstly I will show you how to do this on Apple device and then I will move to iOS, but some Android phones have a system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part to find a similar path to these settings. Now, on your Android, open settings, and then we need to go to accessibility. I have stock Android and right here it's located at the bottom. So scroll down, click at the accessibility, then you need to scroll down again, and at the bottom we have audio adjustment. Enter here, and here's volume balance. So if you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, and we just increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left earbud. But if you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left and we just increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right. And again, if you use 100%, you will totally mute sound on your second earbud. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. So, on your iPhone, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility, what located under the General Settings. Enter into Accessibility, then scroll down again, and in the hearing we have Audio and Visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have audio balance. So if you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this slider to the left, and we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. If you have this problem with the right earbud, just move the slider to the right, we increase the volume for the right, but lower it for the left. And the same, if you use 100% for your right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!